In this video, I will show you how to show Wi-Fi password using your phone easily in 2023. Go to your phone Wi-Fi settings, click More Settings, then click Tap to share password. Take a screenshot of this QR code and resize it. Method 1. After taking screenshot, go to Mobile Find Scanner app and open it. Choose the screenshot file. Tap the password section, see here showing your Wi-Fi password. Method 2. If you not have scanner app, go to this website, link below in the description. Choose your screenshot file and click Submit. After submit, you see here the password your Wi-Fi. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.